How to recover deleted messages on WhatsApp. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't make any mistakes. Okay, so the very first step is to open up your WhatsApp application. And it is important to note that before you can recover deleted messages on WhatsApp, you should have a chat backup available. But it is usually enabled automatically. So to ensure of that, you can go to your settings at the bottom right, go to chats right here, and tap on chat backup. Okay, this next part is really important, so make sure to pay close attention. Make sure that your latest backup is recent. If not, you can tap on backup now to make sure that all the chats will be backed up, including the deleted messages on your WhatsApp. Once it is done backing it up, you will then go back to your home screen, press and hold on WhatsApp, and we are going to uninstall the app. So tap on remove app and delete app. Now, if you miss this next part, you'll have to start over. After you have done that, go to your app store, search for WhatsApp, and reinstall the WhatsApp application. Go ahead and open it, and once you open it, you'll be prompted to restore your backed up messages, and that would include the deleted messages on your WhatsApp, and that is how you can basically recover it.